What's the meaning of constitutionality? Constitutionality. Constitutionality.
Constitutionality. Constitutionality. Constitutionality refers to the state of being in accordance with a constitution, which is a set of fundamental principles and rules that establish the framework for government and govern the rights and freedoms of citizens. When an action or law is deemed constitutional, it conforms to the principles and guidelines outlined in the Constitution. The result of a determination of constitutionality can have significant implications for the legality and validity of government actions and laws, as well as for the rights and liberties of citizens.